Hey everybody, how you doing? Jose here with Fit Bodies Unlimited. So today we're going to go over a multi-press machine. So this hoist machine here is a combination. You can do everything from a regular chest press to an incline press to a shoulder press. The current configuration where we're at right now is set up for a shoulder press. Off to the side, there is some placards on here. So all you're gonna do is gonna pull the pin and you're gonna adjust the seat based on what exercise movement you want to do. It can be a little tough to move, but just got to put a little muscle behind it. So this position here would be our incline press. And if we wanted to go to a standard chest press, we bring it all the way down to the bottom, right? So this is kind of how it's going to be moving. So to keep it simple, we're going to leave it in the chest press configuration, but for the most part, your movements are all going to be the same, just depending on what angle this seat is at the current setup. So some more moving parts here. You have your height adjusted seat. So once again, based on your vertical length. So I'm short, so therefore I have it up at a higher level. Also, too, you have a starting point for your handle. So this is actually going to move also up or down. And this just allows you to adjust your starting point. So if you have a little bit of limited mobility on that upper body, you want to set it up to a higher rate. This way your starting point is actually a little higher. If you have a lot more flexibility, bring it all the way down to the bottom, get that really good extension all the way down and up. So we'll kind of start it like at a medium position. Once again, weight is going to be adjusted to your fitness level. So to have a seat in here, kind of just like anything else, going to have a seat, feet firmly planted onto the ground, butt set all the way back, shoulders back, nice and tight, just as you were going to be laying on a bench. You're going to grab the handles, and you're just going to press up and then back down. You can change your hand position on this machine. If you want to get a little more targeted area, this is going to be a close grip versus your standard wide neutral grip here. Once again, this is a multi-press machine, so your target muscle areas are going to vary depending on your seat position. So in the chest configuration here, in the chest press, you're targeting the chest. Same thing on the incline press, you're still targeting the upper pectoral muscle. And when you bring it up to the shoulder configuration, you're working a shoulder press, which is going to be focusing on the actual deltoids themselves. So once again, multi-press, multiple use, plenty of variations from regular wide grip neutral to a close grip. Adjustable to each location. So stay tuned for more videos from Fit Bodies Unlimited.